Aries by Chloe Buenrostro. Location in the sky. Its right ascension is 3 hours. Aries' declination is 20 degrees. Aries is visible between the latitudes of 90 degrees and negative 60 degrees. It's best seen in December at around 9 o'clock p.m. Aries stars. It is made up of approximately 9 stars. Some of its brightest stars are Hamel, Sheraton, Mesarathim, and Botane. Some information on these stars. Hamel means ram. Sheraton represents the two signs, Pisces and Aries. Mesarathim represents the fat ram. It is also the first star in Aries. Botane represents its little belly. Original myth. In Greek mythology, the story of the ram begins in Thessaly. The king of Thessaly had 2 children named Pheryxus and Helle, who were beaten by their stepmother. The god Hermes became angered by this and sent a ram to carry the 2 children to safety. Tragically, Helle lost her grip and tumbled from the ram into the narrow strip of water between Europe and Asia, now called Hellespont, in her honor. Pheryxus, on the other hand, arrived safely to the shores of the Black Sea, where he sacrificed the ram and gave its fleece to the sleepless dragon for safekeeping. Later, Jason and his intrepid Argonauts recovered the prized fleece and returned it to Thessaly. My myth. A long time ago in ancient Greece, before the golden fleece had been sought by Jason and the Argonauts, there was 2 children named Perdix and Thais. They were both twins. They were also the sons of Pelias, the king of one of the largest and grandest cities. Their father Pelias feared that what would happen when they grew old enough to become king, because only one of them could take the throne. By the time they were both 20 years old, they had become strong men and could conquer almost any city. Perdix, the most knowledgeable of one of the twins, set out on a journey to conquer a city for his father. Perdix knew it was almost time for the next generation of their family to become king, so he planned to do many great things to impress his father in order to gain the throne. Thais, on the other hand, was very adventurous, yet very clueless. He had no idea that his father was going to pick a king soon, so he had no intention of impressing him. Perdix continued to kiss up to his father, and soon enough, Pelias got irritated. Thais went on another journey to a faraway city that is very far from their homeland. He of course got lost because he is clueless, and had to spend the night in the woods. Little did Thais know that the king of the gods, Zeus, was watching over him and planned to help Thais out. Zeus knew that Thais was more kind-hearted than his twin brother, so he sent a ram to help him get back home. This was no ordinary ram. This particular ram had a golden fleece. When the ram appeared, Thais was so overwhelmed with happiness and thanked the gods a million times. Thais eventually got led home and got to keep the ram, and of course his brother was extremely jealous of the ram's soft golden wool, so he planned a surprise attack to steal the ram. When Zeus found out about this, he burned with fury, but then came up with a plan. Zeus asked Thais to sacrifice the ram in order to become king, because Zeus knew that Thais would become a good king. Thais agreed to this and sacrificed it to his brother. His brother accepted his deal, but Thais requested one thing from the gods. This request was to make the ram who would help him into a constellation and name it Ram in Greek, which is Aries. We're excited.